So we'll have to wait, I guess, for a gap up tomorrow morning on the Nifty for the 20,000 mark. You know, it's just like, I guess, an overnight session. The high today was made at 19,991.85. So just 8 points away. And you would have been at 20,000, 136 point higher. You know, there was only a brief period of hesitation at the open for the first 1 hour, 1.5 hours after open. And then it was just a clean, smooth move into the green and to the high point of the day. Nifty Bank ends about 1% higher. Nothing incrementally in the last 1 hour of trade. Actually, we had more of the Bank Nifty when we started the 2:30 session. Midcap index ends 1/4% higher. And I think we've got the small cap index, which is up about 1/3% as well.
Well, it appeared like the mid-cap index was underperforming today, right? Because it ended high with a gain only for around 0.2%. So let's pull up a few losers first. ABB India was under pressure, was down 6%. Amara Raja was down close to 5%. Shree Cement was down close to around 2.5%. That IT survey doesn't seem to be leaving them. JK Cement as well was a little bit lower. And KPIT Technologies, well, that stock got hit. But let's only talk about the big winners. Polycab up 10%. Follow through buying out there. Newgen, big move is what we saw out there. Second day running the stock higher. Dodla Dairy locked in 20%. Or you had KCP Sugar as well, that was up close to around 15%. And you had a couple of other names like Jupiter Wagons as well. So there were select names that continue to move up. And the good news is that good numbers are getting rewarded. Newgen, Polycab, Hudson Agro, all of them did very, very well.
By the way, there's a big miss in Coforge's margins this time. Margins have come down quarter on quarter by 500 basis points. The street was anticipating a decline in the margins due to wage hike, but the typical decline due to increments is about 200 basis points. 500 basis points will need some sort of an explanation. So I think, that EBIT number at 10.4% is a big miss. And that's the reason why even the profit number has come in lower than street expectations. The question is, do they hold on to their top line guidance of 13 to 17%?
It'll be interesting to see Rima Coforge's numbers and the reaction tomorrow, because the Nasdaq could be under some pressure, given that Netflix Tesla, both of them.
Tesla also in after hours was under pressure.
Was down 4% down. So the Nasdaq could be a little bit under the weather. And Coforge, as you were mentioning, it was a bit of a miss out there. So we'll have to see how it goes. But a few companies, they delivered a miss, Rima, from the IT space. But the reaction is what we saw. Intraday, they got bought into. So let's see whether there is some valid enough clarification that comes in.
Okay, but other than that, this has been a solid session. We're still waiting for that 20,000 mark on the Nifty, so keeping us on our toes. But, 136 points higher on the Nifty, nearly 500 points on the Sensex. It's been a sensational trading session. It's a wrap and closing bell. Thank you very much for watching. Our Thursday special Big Deal comes up next.